Welcome to this complete guide on SEO, Search Engine Optimization Interview Question and Answers. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional looking for a brush up on your knowledge or a job seeker preparing for an SEO interview, then this resource is designed to help you navigate the search engine optimization. Here are some of the top 50 questions that may be asked during the interview. But before that, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech content from Edureka. Also, visit the Edureka website for training and certification courses, the link to which is in the description box below. Now, let us start with our agenda. We will go over the basic SEO interview question answers for entry level and freshers, then advanced SEO interview questions, followed by technical SEO interview question answers. Then we will move on to SEO Manager interview questions and finally local SEO interview question and answers. Now, without any further delay, let's get started with our basic SEO interview questions. And our first question is, what is SEO and why it is important for website? This is one of the most frequently asked questions in every SEO interview. Search engine optimization refers to a set of practices aimed at increasing the visibility of website in search engine resulting pages. It improves the content relevancy, link attractiveness, allowing its pages to be more easily found, relevant and popular in response of web searches. It is critical for websites because it improves the visibility, creditability and user experiences, resulting in increasing of organic traffic and the establishment of affordable online presence. Our next question is, explain the difference between on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO entails optimizing various parts of your websites that affects the search engine ranking as well as off-page optimization. Off-page SEO focuses on increasing your domain's authority by obtaining links from other websites. If you want to keep or improve your ranking, you must constantly revise it. Whereas in off-page, it is dependent on other websites to boost your ranking. Improve by optimizing meta tags, description, page title, URL structures for optimization. Backlinks are among the most important off-page ranking factor. Our next question is, can you name a few search engines? This is one of the most popular SEO interview questions, and here are a few of them. First one is Google. It's the world's most popular and widely used search engine. Next is Yahoo, a well-known search engine that utilizes Bing's search result. Baidu is a China leading search engine primarily serving the Chinese-speaking audience. Yandex is a Russia search engine providing search services in Russian and other several languages. Last one is Bing, Microsoft search engine known for its visually appealing and integration with Microsoft products. Our next question is, can I explain what backlinks are and how it is important in SEO? Your hiring manager may be interested in how you explain SEO terms to a non-technical audience or a client. Backlinks are the links that connect one website to another. For instance, if site A links to site B, that link is considered as backlink for site B. Backlinks are important for SEO because they are viewed as an approve for the website to which they are being linked. Backlinks works as follows. First one is authority and trust. When a well-known and authoritative website links to another, it is interpreted as a vote of assurance. Next, relevancy. Backlinks from websites with content that is typically relevant to the linked page are more valuable. Next, we have improved search ranking. Websites with a strong backlink profile are more likely to rank higher in relevant search engine resulting pages. Finally, traffic generation. Backlinks can also direct visitors to the website. Users who visit your page after clicking on the link from another website helps in increasing organic traffic. Next, we have the difference between do-follow and no-follow. Do-follow links enable search engine to follow them to the website. No-follow link instructs search engine to ignore it. It transfers no value from one site to another. They function as a backlink that search engine count and helps in improving the site ranking. It usually has an effect on the ranking or visually in the search engine index. All hyperlinks are do-follow by default. The HTML code of no-follow link contains the no-follow attribute. Our next question is, can you explain the difference between organic and paid result? Organic result is one of the two types of search result in SERP, and they are improved by search result based on the relevance quality, and other ranking variables. Organic result known as free result or natural outcomes. Organic result cannot be influenced by changing Google, but they can be improved by providing better data and allowing user to interact with them. Whereas paid result are messages that pay to appear with a better organic result on the SERPs. Paid result are immediate and marketers are not required to improve their website or content in order to rank. Your maximum CPC and the quality score will determine your position. The more money you save, the higher your quality ranking will be. Next, we have what is keyword frequency, keyword density, keyword difficulty, and keyword proximity. Keyword frequency refers to a number of times a specific keyword phrase appears on the web page. We must be careful not to overuse these terms. Keyword density is the percentage of time a term or a phrase appears on the web page. Next, we have keyword difficulty. The keyword difficulty measures the estimated how difficult it is to rank from a specific term based on how popular it is. The more difficult is the keyword, the more time and the backlink are needed. Finally, keyword proximity. Keyword proximity refers to the distance between two keywords on the web pages. It refers to the proximity of the keyword within the body of text. Next, we have what is domain authority. Another frequently asked question in every SEO interview. DA or domain authority is the search engine ranking score that ranges from 0 to 100. The score predicts how well the website will rank on the search engine result pages. The higher your DA, the better your chances of ranking higher. Next, we have what is meta tags and how do they impact SEO. Meta tags are HTML elements that provide search engines and website visitors with the information of web pages. They are placed in the HTML document header section. While there are many different types of meta tags, two of them are more important in SEO, which are meta title and meta description. Meta title is a brief HTML tag that defines a web page's title. They appear in the web browser title bar, whereas meta description is the summary of web page's context. It frequently appears below the meta title in search engine result and provide user with the additional context. Our next question is, what is robust text file? Robust text file is a text file that is placed on the server of the website to instruct web robots about the pages or sections of the site should not be got or indexed. It is a part of robust execution protocol, which is a standard used by the websites to communicate with the web draggers. Now, you have a clear understanding about the basic interview question for freshers and entry levels. Now, let's move on to the advanced. And our first question is, explain the role of user signal in SEO and how they can be improved. The various interaction and behavior of the user on the website are referred to as user signals in SEO. The search engine frequently uses these signals as an indicator of the website's quality, relevancy, and overall user satisfaction. CTR, dwell time, bounce rate are the important user signals. Here are some of the user signals that affects the SEO and how to improve them. First one is CTR, click-through rate. The percentage of the user who click on the search result out of the total number of users who see it is referred to as CTR. Next is dwelling time. The amount of time the user spends on the web page after clicking the search result is referred to as dwell time. Finally, bounce rate. Bounce rate is the percentage of users who leave the website after only viewing one page. And our next question is, what is XML sitemap and how it is important? XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, and sitemap is the list of all URLs on the website. It is designed to improve the functionality of search engines. A good XML sitemap informs the search engine about the number of pages on a specific website, the frequency with which they are being updated, and the time of the most recent changes are made to them, which will help the search engine. Next, we have what are rich snippets. The feature text that appears at the top of the organic search result is referred to as rich snippets. These snippets are more likely to be clicked on. They are not a part of SEO but provides a better SERP result. If a snippet clicks-through rate increases, it will receive more traffic from the search results. Our next question is, what are accelerated mobile pages? Accelerated Mobile Pages is an open source project designed to improve the performance of mobile web pages. Twitter and Google leads the initiatives. The AMP technology enables lighter, fast downloading websites for smartphone and tablet users. Next we have, how will you measure success as an SEO analyst or specialist at our organization? As with the previous answer, this will be subjective. But be prepared to respond by demonstrating your understanding of the SEO role in the large picture. Discuss in line with the business objective, achieving goals, teamwork, and driving result, rather than simply winning more searches. Our next question is, how can you optimize for featured snippet and why are they valuable? Optimizing your content for a featured snippet involves modifying it so that the search engine will use it in a special featured snippet position at the top of the search result. Here are some of the points why are they valuable. First one is research and identifying opportunity. Identify keywords for which featured snippet appears using tools. Understand the different types of queries that result in snippets in your job. Next we have clear answer to common user queries. Craft your content to provide a clear answer to a common user queries. Plan your audience questions and address them directly into your content. Next is optimize content structure. To structure your content, use clear headers, subheadings, and bullet points. This makes it easier for search engine to extract and display the snippet information. And lastly, we have use schema markup. Implement structured data markup to give search engine more context. And our next question is, what is black hat SEO and white hat SEO? Black hat SEO refers to an illegal method and technology used by people to improve their website ranking on SEO search engine result pages. Search engine policy do not permit these methods or technologies. The other method, known as white hat SEO, refers to search engine guidelines overview practices. Our next question is, what is Panda Update? The Panda Update is a search filter introduced by Google in 2011 to prevent low quality or a thin site from appearing at the top of the search result, and to reward high quality content by assigning a quality classification to these pages. And next is, what is search engine submission? A search engine submission is a process of registering your website with the search engine and to inform them a specific site or the page exists. Next we have, what is canonical issues? Canonical issues arise more frequently when a web page or a website have multiple URLs containing the same or similar information. They can also be caused by e-commerce search criteria and distributing or providing material across multiple sites. For example, the below URL. Now, let us take a look at the technical SEO questions. And our first question is, what is the importance of XML sitemap in SEO? XML sitemaps are files that list all of the website important pages in order to help the search engine understand the structure of the site. They are essential for SEO because they ensure that all the relevant pages are found by the search engine. Sitemaps help search engine in discovering new or updated content more quickly. They can add extra metadata to each page, such as the last modification date. Our next question is, what is RankBrain and why does it matter? Google search algorithm includes RankBrain. It is an artificial intelligence system that processes billions of web pages to help determine which results are the most relevant, particularly searches that are new and not necessarily related to a specific keyword. Because RankBrain is less concerned with keywords, there is only one way to optimize website for RankBrain, other than to continue to focus on quality content. Our next question is, what is the difference between 301 and 302 redirects and when could you use each? Update XML sitemap when changing URL structure for SEO consistency. 302 redirects for testing and temporary user redirection when combining two website or content. 302 redirects for temporary page unavailability and reroute traffic. Old URL's SEO equity transferred to a new URL during a migration. The original URL's SEO equity is not transferred to a new URL. The index of a search engine is updated to reflect the new URL. The original URL is retained in search engine indexes. Next we have, How do you use content marketing for SEO? Content marketing is essential for efficient SEO because Google value quality content. It provides you with the content to optimize for SEO and it creates content that other websites will link to. Content market is frequently done through a blog, but content can also be created in variety of platforms or formats such as videos, infographic, ebooks, and so on. Our next question is, how do you evaluate web analytics to measure SEO performance? As a part of your answer, you should discuss how you use Google Web Analytics to examine direct navigation, transfer traffic, number of visits, conversions, time on page, and so on, and how you can interrupt all of that data to measure the effectiveness of your SEO strategies. Next, we have explain the role of the ℏ/∗ tag in international SEO and how it is implemented. ℏ/∗ tag is indicated a web page language and regional targeting, assisting search engine in serving the correct version of the users. They are implemented in HTML header and a specific language and code for various pages. Our next question is, explain how JavaScript impact SEO and what are the challenges and solutions. Although search engines have improved their crawling of JavaScript, challenges remain. Maintain critical content without delaying only on JavaScript. To improve crawlability, use server-side rendering or pre-rendering techniques. Our next question is, what is the role of the previous and the next tag in SEO and when should they be used? The paginated content of the previous and the next tag are used to indicate the relationship between pages. They assist search engine in understanding the pagination structure and consolidating the indexing signals. Next we have, why do internal links matter? Internal links are important for several reasons in the content of SEO and website optimization. First one is improved navigation. Internal links assist user in navigating a website by providing clear pathway to a relevant or related content. Next is distribute page authority. Internal linking is used to distribute page authority across different pages on the website. Next is creating an information hierarchy. Internal links helps to create an information hierarchy on the website by linking from broader to more specific topics. Next is keyword relevancy. Using object text that indicates or includes relevant keyword signals to search engine on the topic of the content and help improving the page relevancy for those keywords. Finally, indexing improvements. Search engine rankers use internal links to discover and index new content on the websites. Our next question is, explain the concept of structured data and its role in SEO. Structured data is a standardized format that search engine use to improve the context about the content on the web pages. It assists search engine in understanding the meaning and the relationship between various page elements such as products, reviews, events, recipe, and many more. Rich snippets, knowledge, and other visually appealing elements in structured data can improve the search results. Now you know what technical questions will be asked and what tools to use. Now we will discuss the SEO Manager interview questions. And our first question is, how do you approve developing and executing an SEO strategy for a new website or client? Discuss your process, which will begin with complete keyword research, analysis, and technical tools. Set a measurable goal, develop a content strategy, and continuously monitor and adapt to the strategy based on the performance and experiences. Our next question is, how would you stay informed about the latest trends, algorithm updates, and industry changes in SEO? Start by saying, I used to follow the following strategies to stay up to date on the latest trend, algorithm updates, and industry changes. First is industry publication. I read leading industry publication on regular basis, including Search Engine Journey, Search Engine Land, and many more. These platforms offer in-depth analysis and timely updates on the latest SEO developments. Next is Google official resources. I follow Google official channels such as Google Webmaster Central Blogs and Google Search on Twitter. Then we have webinar participation. Actively attend webinar hosted by the SEO expertise and organization. Webinar can help you gain practical insights, understand new algorithms. Next is conferences and events. Attend industry conferences and events such as SMX, Brighton SEO are the important part of the learning strategies. Next we have, how do you approach the integration of SEO with other digital marketing channels to create a strategy? Highlight the significance of SEO alignment with other digital marketing channels such as content marketing and social media. Show how collaboration can boost the impact of each channel, ensuring the unified approach to meeting the business objectives. Next question is, how do you handle website migration or redesign from the SEO perspective? Conduct a pre-migration SEO examination, ensure proper 301 redirect, work closely with the development team to maintain URL structure and on-page elements during website migration or redesign. Closely monitor performance after migration, addressing any issue as soon as they arise. And our next question is, in metrics and KPI, what do you consider most important when evaluating the success of an SEO campaign and why? When assessing the success of an SEO campaign, it is crucial to take into account a variety of metrics and the key performance indicator. Here are some of the key metrics and the key performance indicator. First is explanation. Organic traffic is the number of visitors who arrived at the website of organic search engine result. Next is explanation of keyword positioning. Tracking keyword ranking allows you to evaluate your website performance for a specific keyword. Next is rate of conversion. Conversion rate calculates the percentage of website visitor who completes a desired action such as making a purchase or completing a form. And the last one is backlink quality and quantity. It is crucial to evaluate the quality and quantity of backlink. Backlink of high quality and relevancy help you to boost domain authority and search engine ranking. Next we have, can you explain the importance of content in SEO and how do you ensure content aligns with SEO goals? Content is essential to SEO because it serves both user and search engines. Ensure alignment through keyword research, the creation of high quality, relevant content, and the optimization of meta tags. Regular content helps to keep things fresh and relevant. Next we have, what role do backlinks play in SEO and how do you approach building and managing an SEO strategy? Backlinks help to increase domain authority, value quality over quantity, concentrating on outreach, partnership, and the creation of shareable content. Monitoring link profiles, removing toxic links are also crucial components of effective backlinks management. Our next question is, how do you ensure that the website technical elements such as XML sitemap and robots.txt are optimized for SEO? It is crucial for search engine to ensure that the website technical elements such as XML sitemap and robots.txt are optimized for SEO. Here's a detailed response and how to be used. First one is optimizing of XML sitemap. Search engine submission ensures that the XML sitemap is properly submitted to major search engines such as Google and Bing as they represent webmaster tools. Next is regular updates. Keep XML sitemap up to date by adding new pages, removing outdated ones, and quickly updating it whenever the site structure or content changes. Next is priority and frequency tag. Include priority and frequency tag in your XML sitemap to inform search engine about the importance and the frequency with which specific page are updated. Next is optimizing of robots.txt. To prevent search engine crawlers from accessing non-public or sensitive areas of your website, use the robot.txt file. Next is allowing crawlers. Ensure the important sections such as main content and keyword pages are crawlable. This makes it easier to index important content. And finally, regular review. As a website evolver, review and update the robot.txt file on regular basis. Our next question is, how do you communicate SEO strategies and result to a non-technical stakeholders or client? To communicate SEO strategies and result to a non-technical stakeholder or client, we use the following methods. The first one is business impact. Make a clear link between the SEO efforts and business goals that will impact on revenue or customer satisfaction. Next is visuals. Use charts, graph, and infographic to convert visually. Next we have plain language. Avoid technical tools and explain concepts in plain language. Then regular updates. Establish reporting schedules to provide progress on regular updates. Finally, interactive dashboard. Implement user-friendly dashboard to avoid stakeholder to explore data independently. Our next question is, how do you approach building and managing a backlink strategy? There are 5 important points. And the first one is, examine existing backlink. Next is competitor analysis. Then we have define the objects. And then content creation. And finally, outreach and relationship building. Now, we will finally discuss the local SEO interview questions. And our first question is, what is local SEO and how does it differ from traditional SEO? Local SEO is the subset of SEO that focuses on optimizing a company's online presence in order to increase its visibility in local search results. It is particularly important for businesses that want to attract local customers and serve specific geographic areas. Our next question is, what are the key factors for ranking in local pack results on Google? Ranking in Google local pack results are also known as local 3-pack. Includes a number of key factors that influences how local businesses appear in local search result. The following are the most important factors to consider when ranking in local pack. First is Google My Business optimization. Next is proximity to the search. Next we have relevancy of business information. Next, customer reviews and ranking. Finally, local consistency. Next question is, explain the importance of online reviews for local businesses and how would you manage them? Positive online reviews boost the trust and local search ranking. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews, respond quickly to both positive and negative reviews, and handle complaints professionally. Our next question is, what tools do you use for tracking local SEO performance and how could you interpret the data? Several tools are available for tracking local SEO performance. Some of them are Google Analytics. Analyze organic traffic, user engagement, and conversion from Google searches using Google Analytics. Next is Insights from Google My Business. Examine how frequently your business appears in local searches. User interaction and impacts on updates can be useful. Next is local SEO. Track the accuracy of business citation across various platforms and identify areas for improvement in local SEO strategy. Next we have rank tracking. Track the performance of a specific keyword in local searches using rank tracking tool such as SEMrush. Next question is, what role does social media play in local SEO and how can it be leveraged for local businesses? Social media signals influence local search ranking. Engage with local community, share updates, and encourage user-generated content by using platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Our next question is, what kinds of businesses should use local SEO? Local SEO benefits a wide range of businesses, particularly those that rely on attracting customers from a specific geographic areas. Some of the important businesses are local businesses, service-based businesses, healthcare professionals, legal services, and finally, home services. Next, we have how do you ensure that a business's location data is accurate across various online platforms and directories? To ensure that location data is accurate across online platforms and directories, we follow 5 tips. First one is update company information. Next, manage and monitor lists. Then we have audit and update information on existing system. Next, manage consistent business information. Finally, submit your company's data to local data. Next is, how would you determine the effectiveness of local SEO campaign and what key performance indicator would you track? Tracking key performance indicator that reflects the impact on the online visibility, customer engagement, the business growth is required to determine the effectiveness of local SEO campaign. The following are the key steps. First is website traffic. Google Analytics can be used to track the increase in organic traffic to your website, particularly from location. Next is keyword ranking. Use SEO tool such as SEMrush to track the position of a targeted keyword in local search result. Next is Google My Business Insights. Analyze GMB Insights data on regular basis to identify trends and make improvements. Next we have customer reviews. Track changes in quantity and estimate overall time by monitoring review platforms. Finally, local directory listing. Audit and track the accuracy of your business using local SEO tools. Next question is, how How can business optimize its website for voice search in local context? Prioritize natural language in content, use local keywords, optimize Google My Business, employ structured content, enhance website speed, implement schema markup, create dedicated question and answer page, focus on mobile optimization, develop locally relevant content secured with HTTPS, and encourage positive review for improved local voice search performance. Our last question is, what is local citation building and why it is important for local SEO? Local citation building involves submitting consistent and accurate business information to online directories. Crucial for local SEO by validating, improving search ranking, enhancing online visibility, and building trust with user and search engine. Now that you know what and how questions will be asked in an SEO interview and you are familiar with all the section, you can pass the interview with confidence and practice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching and keep learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!